I said letter A. Which one is letter A?
A is for apple.
And put it down.
Apple.
Good job.
Apple.
What
A.
is letter B?
Apple. B is for baby. Baby. Baby.
Letter C.
Baby. C is for candy. Candy.
Neil.
C. Candy.
Letter C.
Is for
There.
diamond. 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 D. Diamond.
Letter D.
E is for elephant. Elephant.
Very good.
Elephant. E.
Benjamin.
Elephant.
Letter E.
F is for fairy.
Well
Fairy.
done. Very good.
Fairy.
Where's letter F? Find letter F.
For glasses.
Where's
Glasses.
letter F? Well done.
Glasses. G. Glasses. H is for hand. 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 H. Hand. I is for igloo. 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 I. Igloo. J is for jelly.
Well done.
Jelly. Jelly.
Yes, yes. Very good job. Well
K
done.
is for
Down.
keyboard.
Next to letter G.
Keyboard.
Well done. Good job.
Keyboard. K. Keyboard.
Letter I.
is for
Well done. Good
ladybug.
job.
Ladybug.
Very good.
Ladybug. L. Ladybug. M is for monkey.
Anusha, find letter J.
Monkey.
Where is J?
Monkey. M. Monkey. N is for needle.
This is J.
Needle.
Next to letter I. Very good. Good job.
O is for orange. Orange.
Irene, come.
Orange.
Where is letter K? Find letter K. Where is K? Very good. Push it down.
Is for pony.
Well done.
Pony. Pony. P. Pony.
Martin.
Is for queen.
L. Find letter L.
Queen. Queen. Q.
Ayan, where is letter M? Find M.
Rainbow.
Good.
Rainbow.
Put it down.
R.
Next to letter L.
S.
Well done.
Spider.
Put it down.
Spider. Spider.
Well done.
S.
Good job.
Spider. T is a tiger. Tiger.
Where is P? Where is letter P?
Tiger.
Put it down. Very good. Yes, fine.
U is for umbrella.
Great job. Where is R? Put it down.
Umbrella. U
Well done. How much T?
is for violin. 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 V.
U?
Violin
U?
is for wave.